severe weather that can move through.
We do. Active weather is on tap later on this afternoon. A couple of rounds of that, and that's why we have a weather alert in place. We really want everyone just to be apprised of the weather as it's quickly changing. This doesn't mean that everyone's going to be faced with active weather all day long. This isn't necessarily about longevity. This could be about short-term intensity. So keep that in mind, too. We're starting out the morning a little on the foggy and cloudy side. More clouds here. The BJCC in Birmingham, temperatures are in the lower 60s. It's balmy out there. And if you lived in the South for any length of time, you step outside and it feels soupy. It's almost as if you can sense that active weather coming. A little lull in the action on the radar right now. A couple of light showers in East Alabama, tracking some rain moving through Hamilton right now. Want to show you our severe weather risk for today. Enhanced risk for severe weather potential pretty much along and north of I-20, including all of North Alabama, and a slight risk for portions of Central Alabama as well. But keep in mind, whether it's slight or enhanced, the risk is present. It just means the ingredients may be a little bit better organized where that area is highlighted in orange. But please do not think that your risk is not as great just because I'm in the yellow, not in the orange. We all need to have a heightened sense of awareness for today. All right, winds are out of the south this morning, and as I've been tracking some of this, the showers along the Gulf, it's really not materializing. That's what we're going to be tracking today. If we get a little bit more storm development on the coast, it will act as a fence. It will trap this warm air from surging into Central Alabama. If that does not happen, it's kind of the open floodgates, essentially, of this warm, moist air, which is a key ingredient in development for severe weather. That cold front back to the west is what's going to be moving in and causing the potential for severe storms later this afternoon through around midnight. All modes of severe weather are possible, and yes, that does include tornadoes and even some very large hail, tennis ball size potentially. Mid to upper 50s right now, low 60s from Alabaster to Moundville. Here's the setup. That area of low pressure that we saw to our west is going to be moving through. Temperatures today warming already into the low 70s for your lunch hour, topping out at around 77 this afternoon. As this cold front moves east, a warm front will be lifting from the Gulf. See those showers and storms at around 1 p.m.? It depends on how active these are if it zaps some of that atmosphere. At this point, I think it's looking pretty good, though, that as this warm front lifts to the north, it will provide us scattered showers for the early afternoon, a little break in the action, and then stronger storms around sunset tonight in North Alabama, with those storms moving through the central part of the state. Tuscaloosa, Birmingham up to Gadsden between 9 and 10 tonight, and that's where we can have the threat for some of the strongest severe weather for the day. So just again, stay close to a good source for weather info. Rain moves out early tomorrow, and then things cool down and sun shines back for the middle of the week. And that's a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast. Now our coffee club winner for today is Charles Champion of Piedmont. Congratulations, Charles. You've won yourself a pound of coffee in this Royal Cup coffee from Royal Cup Coffee and Tea in this mug. If you would like to be a coffee club winner just like Charles, head over to our website, WIAT.com, and sign up today.